Hello, today I want to introduce you how to draw flowers, maybe in watercolors. I just want to tell you how to use the watercolors. Okay, let's start. This is the watercolors. It's not very clear, I'm afraid. And the palettes, and the brushes. Today we have the water included blushes. It's very easy to use. You just open it and then put the waters inside by pressing and pulling at it. Now it's ready and you make it ready. Okay, now let us start. To begin with, we just push the brush and make the waters drip down. Then we can use it on the watercolors. Now it's ready. Let's use the pink first. I'm going to draw some rose. No, not some. Rose. First, you just draw down the petals from the insides. You just place the petals one by one from inside to outside, making sure what shape you use it. Fill in the gaps so that the petals are set all around. Adding the watercolors, paints, and also pressing the brush, you can just get the colors on or spread it widely. And to mix the colors, using the palettes. Yes, first pink on the palette, and then get the red on the palette too, mixing it up a little more red. Now it's ready. So you add where you want it dark. You go on adding the reds to the shades mainly, where will be shaded, and leave the pinks as well. Not all, but only to the shades, and then add some few more petals too to make, yes. Then drip the waters down so that all the colors goes out, and then to the next color. Now we'll draw the stalk. Using the yellow-green, just draw a line, and then add some greens for the shades to the darker side. And now we're drawing the leaves. The roses leaves are very itchy, so you just brush the brushes as it's very sticky, itchy. Okay, and using many colors will make it more realistic. Using the darker green to make the leaves bright, but also the yellow ochre to make it a little shades darker and more real. Okay, now the roses. This is the rose. I just want to add the background, the sky, with light blue. I'm afraid the color's not right. I'll try it again. So now with the light blues, pressing it hard, the water comes out, so the colors spread all around. Nice. Not very dark, or not very sharp, with a pale colors. Pressing it hard, so that all the water comes out. Spread the colors, spreading it all around the rose. Now we have finished. The rose